Meaning of griffon.
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 Griffon. Griffon, also spelled griffon, is a mythological creature with the body, tail, and back legs of a lion and the head, wings, and talons of an eagle. It is often depicted as a guardian of treasure, protector of the divine, and a symbol of strength, courage, and loyalty. The origins of the griffon can be traced back to ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, appearing in various forms throughout Greek, Roman, and medieval European mythology. In modern times, the griffon remains a popular subject in art, literature, and popular culture, often portrayed as a majestic and powerful creature with unmatched bravery and resilience.